Hi everybody, this is Nivedita from Love Knots by Nivedita. Today I want to show you all my new baby girl album which comes in this beautiful fabric customized box. So now let's get into the album. Let me just open this for you. This is what the album looks like. I hope you all like it. It's got this little shaker frame. It's got some mulberry flowers. It says sweet moments and world. And also the parent can just slide in a baby picture here like this. Let me just show that to you. You can just slide a baby picture inside and she can just pull out this tab and paste a picture and slide it back inside. On the spine I have the baby's name, that's Anaira, with a bow, and I've kept the spine simple because the album is really chunky and then it'll be difficult to make the movements if I keep the spine very big, as in a lot of elements going on the side. So I've kept the spine very simple, and now let's get inside the album. So when you get inside the album, as per my client's request, I have given her a pregnancy fold out wherein there's an envelope for her to store her pictures or anything that she wants to store, the sonograms or anything like that. It says congratulations to new parents and mom to be. And also there's this tab here where she can paste pictures from her pregnancy or even journal something if she wishes to. When you open this, it flips out again, and you've got this nice pocket here where she can just post her sonograms here, and it says at the hospital, and another fold out where she can paste pictures and write something, and it says happy motherhood, and again another one more photo mat here. She can use both the sides of the photo mat to write and paste pictures accordingly as per her choice. And then there's this cute flip out here. It says cherish these precious moments, eating for two. She can paste a picture here and on the back and just slide it here in this pocket. When you open this, you've got a big fold out that holds almost 8 to 9 pictures here that she can store from her pregnancy photo shoot or her baby shower. If she wants to store any of those pictures here, she can do that here. And then I have given my client this cute journal where she can write her pregnancy story, and this comes with a lot of elements which I've given in a separate envelope and sentiments, and she can just slide her first sonography here, if you can just see, and just paste it. So that'll be the picture for the first sonography. And then there are photo mats, loose photo mats for mother to store, and this pocket is very spacious. She can even keep extra photos in here, so it closes like this. Now here comes the baby page. Here we welcome the baby, and that's from first month and welcoming the baby at the hospital itself. She can write the birth date here, if you can just see this wooden frame. It says special. She can write the birth date here. It says it is a girl, welcome baby, sweet baby girl, 1 month photo, and there's this note card which if she opens she can write or paste pictures here. Okay, it says welcome to the world. And also to my client I have given her a cute baby girl birth certificate wherein she can fill it and she can just keep it there. This is the birth certificate, and this all tucks here, and this pocket holds almost 7 photos, 7, 8, 9 photos. Now the page number 2, which is for month 2, it says a tiny treasure, and it is a very very cute page. This is magnetic, so when you take it out, this is what it is, and you can just flip out these mats. You can paste a big picture here, you can paste pictures here. It says we made a wish and you came true. She can paste pictures here and just magnetize this like that. Here I have given a big 4x6 photo mat here. She can paste a picture here. It says does this diaper make me look fat, and it says pretty just like mommy, yes I'm cute, and 3-month-old photo. And also I've given her space so she can write something and write this side at the back of the secret photo mat. This is for 3rd month, and this is the 4th month where she can store around like 4 photos, 4x6 photos here. and she can even journal on them. And there's this envelope where I've given her a lot of journaling cards which says smiled for the first time, got the first tooth, slept all night, said dad for the first time, first outing. All these mats are here, and she can just write on them accordingly as per her baby's development. And it's magnetic, it goes shut like this. Then this is a vertical belly band that I have given for good 5x7 photos. This is for month 5. It says no day like today, and when you open this goes up, and you can store paste big 5x7 inches photos here, 4 in number as per the mats and 1 big size here. If she wants, she can leave it plain. Then here I have tried to give a Nanka and Dadka side pictures as well, with the mother's parents, mother's family and father's family. Here the teddy bear represents the father's family, and the photo mats come out like this, and she can paste good 1, 2, 3 photos here. She can write something, or she can even post a picture here. So I've given these 2 photo mats here, which stores both of them together hold almost 8 pictures, and the pink ones are for the mother's side, which again hold almost 8 pictures. It says you bring our family joy and fill our hearts with love. And again, there's a 6-month page where I have given a little shaker frame to the baby girls. For the baby girl's picture, what the mother can do is she can just take a picture and she can just put it right here, so it will be visible from here for the baby, and this frame will be a moving frame. When it comes down, she has this beautiful page here which hold almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4 photos, 8, and 1 big photo mat here. So she can, if she wants, she can paste a big photo here. She can write and paste pictures along with this. So in total, this page holds almost like 10 photos, including this frame. Now if you come this side, this is for 7th month. Again, I have given 3 photo mats here for 7th month, and you're a star, night night, sleep tight. She can paste pictures on both the sides of the mats. And here's a cute note card again that says cherish. She can put a picture here of the baby, and this she can write something, or she can just paste small tiny Insta mini size pictures here. It says sleep tight little one, and just tie it off like this. It says sleep tight little one. Now this is for the 8th month. This I've kept simple because this page is a little bulky. So here she can paste a big picture. When she lifts it up, it says little hands, little feet, simply precious, oh sweet, so sweet. 8 months. And when she lift it up, she can paste a picture here. Let me just get it into the frame. She can paste a picture here, and there's this cute pop-up that says sweet cheeks. There's a daddy bear reading to the baby bear, and she can paste a nice picture here, and it says daddy and me. If you can just see, daddy and me, and this shuts like this. Now this is for the 9th month. She can store extra loose photos here. I have given a lot of space here, and then 2 photos on this and 2 photos on this. So as per her choice, she can add many pictures as she wants, but I would recommend maximum 6 pictures in a pocket. So like that. Now this is for the 10th month, where I've given a belly band, and these photo mats come out like this. Okay, so 1 good photo here. It says I'm awake, let's play, 10th month old, you are so loved, bottles, diapers, bottles and bibs, and adorable little ones. So you can just paste the pictures and slide it back here. Now on the front of this belly band, what I've done is I've given her a magnetic envelope that says with love, and that's how I roll. And I've given some more cards here, milestone cards here, like first stroll, crawl for the first time, first birthday, and a lot of other things, like first favorite rhymes, all that here, all that goes here. And it says magnetic, so she can just write and put it here. She can even put loose photos here of the baby. It's very spacious envelope. Now on the 11th month, I've given this twine closure. This opens up, and it says 11th month. Just a second. It says 11th month, 11 months, and a new hand to hold, a new heart to love. Again, 1 big picture here, 2 small 4x6 photos here, and 2 photos here. If she wants, she can leave this one open and paste a picture here, and just tie it like this. And the 12th month page is one of my favorite pages that I've ever designed. So I hope you all like it. So this is how it opens. Just a second. Okay, now this is how it opened. It says first birthday, and the top of the page is very simple because inside is very bulky. And when you open this, it says your very first step was quite a surprise. You're growing up so fast right before eyes. And when you open this page, this is what it looks like. So it's a plain page in the center where the mother can journal, and on this, when you open this page, like, you know, when you open this page, it's like month 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and number 1, month number 1. So she can paste the best pictures of all her 12 months journey on this page, and I will be giving a template to her, so it's easier for her to paste the pictures accordingly. And that's the page number 12 for the baby's first year journey. And this is last page where I've given waterfall, where she can again store extra pictures. This comes out like this. I'll just show you. It says cute as a button. It comes out like this, and she can paste good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and good one big picture here, 9 pictures here altogether. So in total, this album stores more like 60 to 70 pictures, and it comes with a beautiful box. I hope you all like this. So stay tuned for more videos and more albums. Let me know how you like it. Okay, bye bye.